You're listening to SHRI PADMASHREE Radio 20.5 FM. It's me, SANGAMITHRA. Nam jotegidare
DHANUSH.
School news. Education Minister has announced that SSLC exam result will be announced any day in this week, so we along with our teachers are waiting for it with few preparations. Bengaluru news. At Bengaluru, mobile COVID-19 lab dedicated to public, it's first of its kind.
Karnataka news. Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa stirs up controversy over video of him going through a few official files and signing them without wearing mask nor hand glove. India news. Mumbai rains, possibility of floods, says IMD official. Stay indoors, stay safe, says police. India move on Article 370 is illegal and invalid, says China.
World news. Another virus on the spread in China. 7 dead, 60 infected by tick-borne virus.
And in India, 19,63,239 confirmed cases, 5,94,850 are active, 13,27,200 are recovered, and 40,739 are dead.
And in Karnataka, 1,51,449 confirmed cases, 73,957 are active, 74,679 are recovered, and 2,804 are dead.
Totally in world, 1,89,75,254 confirmed cases, 61,280 are active, 1,21,63,754 are recovered, and 7,11,220 are dead. Coming to today's weather report, today's temperature 23 degrees Celsius, today's wind is light, feels like mostly cloudy, 60% chances of precipitation today, today's sunrise at 6 a.m, today's sunsets at 6:45 p.m. Thank you Bharat, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
Let's sign off. It's me, Sangamitra.
And DHANUSH from SHRI PADMASHREE Radio 20.5 FM.